Gld Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of price action, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this one quite a few times in the past, although it's been a few days. So that's where the red line and then orange line is coming from. But after today's price action, definitely some updates here need to be made. And a question that'll be on my mind, and I don't want to come across like this is some sort of in-depth discovery. No, anybody that uses charts would be wondering the same thing. But first thing that needs to be done is in revolving around the $7, $7.05, whatever you want to call it. And this is just a basic rule in technical analysis. When levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And this segues perfectly into the question that's on my mind, and is this a true break? A true break having two parts. The first part being, well, yeah, the price has to break above a level. The second part being, can the price maintain above it? Case in point right here. First part, yeah, the price broke above it, step one complete. But then when it came to maintaining the break, no, it wasn't a true break because the price fell below it. Now we have the same thing right here. The price has broken up above it, step one. But this is where the question comes into play. Is the price going to be able to maintain that $7 mark tomorrow? Or is this a fake breakout where the price is going to roll back over a head back down below? I have no idea, but that's what I'm saying in regards to, yeah, today's price action was good, but is there any sort of genuine power behind it? If there is genuine power behind it, then I'll state the obvious. Well, then, of course, this level is going to hold because price movements with true power don't go back to where they were, right? I'm assuming I'm stating the obvious when I say that. Price movements with genuine power are going to make progress forward. And I'm defining progress forward as simply staying up above $7. I mean, let's say the price does come down here, but in this time, instead of, breaking through it like it did here, bounces around and then heads back up. Well, what would you have in this point of view? Well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have that set of lows right there, and these stair steps would be going in the upwards direction. So to me, $7 is a very important level. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, that's where that orange line comes into play. I drew that trend line. I don't know how much, how long ago, but you can see it's done a fantastic job of, just pointing out where the lows have been. But right now, this is more so, I don't want to say irrelevant because, yeah, it's relevant, but given that the price is now up above the $7 mark, $7 is definitely priority number one in regards to areas of support. What about levels of resistance? Let's map out a couple of these. If this price movement is going to continue upwards, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds? The next key one that stands out to me, I'm not sure if the price rejected there from today or not. Nope, not quite. Right up there at $7.45. Going back here, you can see the price rejected a few times. Got relatively close to it today, but not quite. So $7.45, next key level of resistance going forward. No doubt about it. Nice day today. Can the bulls build upon that? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click that image right there and I will email you the guide. The guide is very short, it's to the point, and like I said, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.